Hey guys, we are back in Samirah's kitchen with the amazing chef Nadifa. So, salam alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, Sabah Wanaksan, it's almost lunchtime. Nadifa, what do I say when it's lunchtime? Gilab Wanaksan? Anyway, we are about to make some kado, yeah? Some lunch. So, and we are making a superfood. So this time we're trying to do a nice vegetarian dish because we know that Somali culture is very meat heavy, right? So lots of amazing meat dishes, but we are going to have an amazing spinach dish today. Okay, so it is Kosta. We are going to make Kosta. Is that correct, Nadifa? Kosta? Okay, excellent. So that is what we're about to make with other vegetables and Bariis. So enjoy. So before I start, I just want to give a shout out to my Edo back in Hargeisa, who when Asad comes back from Hargeisa, he always comes back with the most amazing gifts. And so this is high fashion from Hargeisa. So from Hargeisa we've got Dira, yeah? So a shout out and a big thank you. Love it. Okay, we're starting with our fresh vegetables. So this is what we got from the markets, yeah? So it's beautiful and super fresh, so we love it. So we have our spinach, of course, Kosta. We have our onion, which is potato. Is that how you say it? Barato. Okay, I knew it sounded similar. Carrots, tell me. Carato. Capsicum or peppers, what would you call this, Nadifa? Pepperoni. Would you call them all pepperoni no matter what color they are?
Oh,
yeah. Okay. So not only with our Kosta and our Bariis, we are also for our kado going to make Basbaas. Yeah, my favorite. So Basbaas we're going to have red and we're going to have green, and we love it with lots of garlic and lots of lemon. It's delicious. Okay, and we also have our patata. So that's our tomato base for our yanyo. Okay. Awesome. Okay, so let's begin the Nadifa. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll show you where we went to the markets in Dubai. We probably traveled about 20 minutes, half an hour to get there, but it is well worth it. Let me show you around. So we go to the markets to get the freshest fruit and vegetables. Yes, Nadifa?
Yep.
So we need spinach.
Yeah, I think one. Only one. I think one. Yeah?
Nadifa's super tough with them, makes sure that we get the freshest and for the best price. Yeah, we're a big family, so we need to buy a lot of food always. So coming to the markets means that we can come home with a great big full car for, 200, 300 dirhams. Will feed our huge family with the best fruit and vegetables that we can get. Oh, she's not happy. You tell him, Nadifa. Yeah? That one? Okay, cute, nice. Okay, sure. Sure. And you have that one, nice. What do you think, Nadifa? Is good? Yeah. Yeah, looks good. Spinach? What's this one?
Bad spinach.
Bad spinach. No, we don't want bad spinach.
No.
We want good spinach. Yeah. Okay. Yeah? Okay. Thank you. Shukran. Okay, so this is our very serious, I can't say anything, very serious Basbaas. It's very hot. Yes? Very fresh. Nice. So, what we have here is all our spinach chopped up. We've got all of our vegetables chopped up here very nicely. And what are we going to do to begin, Nadifa? Okay.
I'll use it this.
Okay, we're going to use our passata, nyanya, olive oil, which is silil. Huh? Silil zaitun. Okay. Bismillah. Of course, Bismillah. Okay, so I don't know if you've noticed in the background I had some traditional Somali music going, but Nadifa's got hold of it and put on something a little bit more modern, hip and happening. So there you go for all you young ones. Okay. So anyway, Nadifa's upset because she wanted to have some ladyfinger for our dish, but we've all out. We've eaten it all, right? So Nadifa is explaining to me that it's called Baramir in Somali, which she says is a good name. That lady finger is actually a bad name.
Bad.
It's bad? Why? Because it's a lady?
Girl, finger is
Finger? There you go. Okay, so apparently... I was trying to ask whether Baramir translates to lady, lady, and finger, mir, but she says no, that's not the case. Okay, so we've popped our potatoes in, and they're not boiled potatoes, are they? They're just potatoes. Yeah, okay, great, okay. And now we're putting in our passata, yanyo.
tomato.
Okay. Enough. Okay, so we've used about half of the jar. So we're going to let the potatoes kind of soften in this sauce. Okay. Okay. So we've got Maggi. Nadifa loves Maggi. Our stock cube. And I always just get vegetable stock cube anyway, because I often wonder what is in this, you know, the chicken or the beef one. But anyway, it's a vegetable stock cube. So we're going to leave this to simmer for a while. Yeah? For how long? I don't know. Half an hour?
20 minutes.
20 minutes? Okay, we'll come back and have a look in about 20 minutes. Let's run in, playing with the little boys outside. Layla, this is your kitchen, yeah? What are you going to cook for me, darling? Oh, yeah. No talking when you're cooking. It's very serious. Layla, is that how it is? Yeah? Okay, I understand. Okay. How's it going? Yeah? Are you a good cook like Nadifa? Okay. Oh, wow.
Layla, kitchen is fake.
It's not fake. She's making...
Yes, Layla?
Is your kitchen fake, Layla?
No.
No. She makes amazing food in her kitchen.
Come.
Okay, come in.
Sit down. I'm cooking.
Okay, good.
Sit
Okay.
down. I'm cooking.
Okay, what are you cooking for me?
Yes, sir.
Pizza.
Pizza. Oh, I love pizza. Nice.
Eat.
Oh, let me try.
Chips.
Yeah, I love chips.
One spicy chips.
Oh, I love spicy chips.
Yummy chips.
Yeah, please, yummy chips for me. Thanks.
And me too.
Okay.
And you're too.
You want milk? Okay, get some. Hey, so it's been going for a good half an hour, would you say? Yeah? Okay, so now we're ready to put some water in. Yeah? Okay, good. And then what are we going to do? Okay. Big chunks of potato are breaking down nicely. Okay, they need a little bit more. But they're starting to break down, so that's good. Okay, so everything is nice and soft and super delicious. So now we are ready to put in our spinach. Kosta. Okay, we have lots of spinach. Super high in iron. It's great in vitamin A and C. It is absolutely a superfood. And super cheap, right? When Nadifa was asking me to go and buy spinach, I initially was buying little baby spinach, right? Gourmet baby spinach. I was like, far out, these are expensive dishes, because she wants so much of it, right? But yes, that is not what she needed, because back home, the only spinach I would have would be in a little gourmet salad where you'd have some baby spinach and some toasted pine nuts and maybe some cheese. So yes, so this is definitely not an expensive dish. Kosta. And this doesn't need a lot of time to cook, right? Great, looks amazing, smells great. Now we're going to serve this with Bariis, yeah?
With the Bariis, yeah.
Okay.
Bariis. Oh, yeah, Bariis.
Just 3 minutes, okay?
Yeah, 3 minutes.
Okay, great. Okay, our rice. Water, hot water.
Bariis at.
To boil. 1 cup of basmati rice. Nadifa's very fussy about the rice that she likes. So this one's long grain basmati rice, the best one. She doesn't like the fat ones. Nope.
I don't like it fat.
Okay, so now she's washing the rice. Okay, now we're putting our washed rice, Bariis, into our boiling water with our salil. Smells amazing. In goes our basil and our pepperoni. Nice. Mashallah. Okay. Yes. Oh, very nice. The boys don't love it so much, Nadifa. You don't love it? Oh my goodness. But we love it. You know, the kids are not super excited about so many vegetables, but they should be. We have carrots to go, carato, to go into our bariis, yeah? So our bariis has had a few minutes head start, right? So it's not completely raw. Some filfil in with our carato and our rice. Is it almost ready?
Yeah, ready.
Good. Okay, Nadifa, so this is our ingredients for our basbaas. Okay, we've got our lemon juice here, lots of lemon. We have green and red. We're not mixing them, are we? We're going to do one red. Okay. We've got salt and we have our garlic. Okay, toon. Let's do it. Okay, nice music, Nadifa. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's a lot of salt. Okay. Okay, darling. Okay, so what do we have? Oh, about 5 cloves of garlic. So how much of this lemon juice? About half of it? Yeah, half for this one, half for the green one?
This one, half green, yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Lemon and water.
Lemon and water, is it? Would it be about half?
One
Okay.
lemon.
Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. Biz it up. Okay, let's have a look at what we have. Okay, so this is our red basbaas. So Nadifa, will we put anything else in that, or that's halas finished? Enough? Done. Yeah, so the chilies are so strong that as soon as we've opened up, just the aroma gets caught in your throat. But anyway, there you go, delicious. Okay, done. Green basbaas. And our garlic. Okay. Again, another, yeah, salt. And our lemon juice. Okay. Great. Let's mix it up. Beautiful. Okay, basbaas. Nice. And this will last for like a good week or so in the fridge, yeah? Yeah, so we don't have that all with one meal, but Nadifa makes it and it lasts for a good week or so. We just, yeah, pop in the fridge and look at that. Delicious. It's done. Okay, let's go. Let's take it outside. Okay. In my beautiful garden, let's set up our kado de wadia. Nadifa making sure that she's not part of my video. Look at this, huh? And there you have it. Our amazing spinach dip. Kado de wadia. Nadifa, take a seat. Let's have our lunch. Nobody else is here. We'll enjoy our beautiful, quiet, relaxing. Nadifa, enjoy.